Hi, this is Dr. Weiner. I teach chemistry in 2Chem Phys, and I'm here with Mr. Dubrow, who teaches physics in 2Chem Phys. And we'd like to give you an overview of the class so that if you have questions, hopefully this video will help you out in making a decision about taking whether or not you want to take 2Chem Phys. I think for the most part, it has kind of a reputation for only smart kids taking and things like that. But really what it is a course for kids who are really find that they have an abiding interest in science and enjoy learning about science, or even if they're not sure about science, but have a good have some solid math skills and have done well in science in the past. This would be a good course to explore a little bit further about your interest in science. It's combined chemistry and physics, and that means that we take it out of what a lot of students think of as science as being in these boxes, like the chemistry box, the physics box, the biology box, and really make a lot of connections between chemistry, physics, and also chemistry and biology, even physics and biology, and all sorts of other connections that you might not get in other classes. And there's a fair amount of depth that you'll find in our class that you won't find in other introductory science classes here. So it's a good solid intro to physical sciences and something that most students enjoy, given that you have a real commitment to learning, and that's a big part of it.
So, like Dr. Weiner said, I'm Mr. Dubrow. I teach the physics half of Chem Phys. And so Dr. Weiner just said that Chem Phys is really for students who enjoy science and like learning and want a challenge. And you can expect a time commitment of probably about an hour per night, a good solid hour. And whether that means that you're working on chemistry homework or physics or some combination, that's what we found in the past. And we do ask that students have been successful in geometry honors. So I think you need to have a B or better. And you should also be enrolled in Algebra 2 honors.
At a minimum.
At a minimum. You could also be in trig or other classes. But, physics and chemistry both make use of mathematical reasoning. Physics uses a lot of algebraic equations to express relationships between things. So it's very important to have a solid grasp on that. And so I just want to emphasize that, Chem Phys is supposed to be fun and also challenging. So we're gonna try to give you a little taste of what the AP level course is like, and a lot of students go on to take 3-4 Chem Phys or some of the standalone AP courses, and so it's we really enjoy teaching it. And if you have any questions, you can come and see us. I'm in South 305.
And I'm in South 322. So come visit us and ask any questions. If you know someone who's into Chem Phys, you certainly should take advantage of knowing them and asking them about it. And
we also encourage people to come down in the spring, and if they're not sure about the class, you can come and sit and see what a class is like, take a look at the book, browse the website, figure out if this is the right class for you.
And in terms of the textbook, we both use college textbooks. I don't say that to intimidate anybody, but just to let you know that we are, we certainly take an in-depth look at the subject. It's beyond what you'd get at introductory class with a high school textbook.
Great. So
all right.
If you have any questions, let us know, and we look forward to seeing you next year.